The first service I attended sa Miracle Central. Seriously, na-awkwardan ko. Seeing Pastora Elaine mangslain lang niya. Seeing my mom bilang maluhod kag singgit. Then the rest crying and laughing at the same time. It was April 8, 2013 when I was completely moved by God. Each one of you, Nang Karina, Tita Ping, Pastora, Tita Bunny, Nanay, naging part sa remarkable walk ko with God. Allow me to extend Chip's gratitude all the way from Singapore. Intro mo lang.
Ganda sa glory pa siya kanina, nag-Viber, sa Kaimen, Hambalya. Chat ko sa nanay, why man siya kuno kadtuan?
Nag-text sa tita sa Singapore yung number. Hambalya, ay men, ano ni? Nag-text ko kay nanay, wala sa kadtuan. Ano ni man online, nanay? Explain.
I didn't know I have to report to her.
Basta ko kay Nang Karina. Nang Karina, mag-hug ka pa lang sa akon. I know vessel ka of God's love. I want to thank you for extending help and support sa tanan. You bless us more than you see. Thank you for your sweet message once in a while. Love lots, Chips. And halina sa iya nang. Second, to the never a dull woman by the green cow, Tita Kay.
I can't forget that green cow story.
Your company has already brightened my mom's life and mine. So, dagdagan pa ng makulay mong buhay at pagiging madaldal mo, aba masyado na naging masaya ang buhay namin. You have such a big heart. Thank you for embracing my entire family. Love you, Tita Bunny. Next is Tita Ping. Tita Ping, you have always been there for my family. Projects namon, ikaw gaubra, na-assign ka man sa Iloilo. Pag kompetisyon ko, present ka, kag supportive ka gito. Mag-ugtas ko kay nanay, pasimple ka ga pangaral. Naka-watch ka sa mga school activities ko, nakaupod na ta work, ginbantayan mo pa ko pag clubbing ko. From work hasta sa church, you have remained a genuine friend kay nanay. I can't thank you enough. You are a family. A God's amazing gift to us. Love you, Tita Ping.
I love you, Sean.
Next.
Live ba tayo? Live. I love you.
Sabi niya, love you, Tita. Hi, Des. Ang intro, Tita. Hi, Des. Hi, Des. Thank you for caring, supporting, crying, interceding, providing, and loving me. No words can ever be enough kung ikaw na ya ang ga-attribute. Sus, mano-ano malang kuya sa sungad mo kung ga-host-host ka. In English, sabi ni Chips, parang, Tagalog na lang, Tita. Na parang wala na siyang magagawa or pag si Tita na yung nag-host kasi parang talaga na yung magaling ang salita, masaya. Okay. You know what they say? Na you'll never get to choose who your family would be. But God knows, Lydia. I will never ever trade you for anything or anyone. Forever, hilabtira ka, Gidya, sa life ko. But you know how much ko na ginapasalamatan. Lesson na lang subong anay, ha? Tuuni pansin mga manghod ko. Haha. Bias na di kayo mas lawig ka na, so tawag ko na lang si mo kag-text ang iban pa. Love you, Nay. Next is kay Pastora. Ang gifts galing tungan na kamo open.
Ay, hindi ka na.
Tungan na. Later, Pastora. After, para sa imo. Pastora, You will always be one of my ever-loved favorite creature on earth. Salamat for every prayer, act of love, generosity you have shown and gave to my family. Alam ko, my mom is in good company with you. So I let her stay up late with you. Wala siya curfew. I am grateful na you brought nanay with you sa Singapore last April. So much to thank you for. I am sure you know, but let us remind you, you are doing great works here on earth, Pastora. We are blessed to be under your covering. Keep touching lives. We will always pray for you and your family. Sobrang cool mom ka. I just want to let you know that I love you and I thank God for you. There is this one thing na you taught us, to honor others. This is exactly what I want to extend from Singapore. From all of us, we honor you as our pastora. Stay beautiful and amazing. With love for all of you, Chips. So, sabay-sabay nyo nang i-open ang gifts.
Mga kangkong sa aba kayo!
Ay, dahil lang. Reaction nila, mag-open. Sige. Nang open.